How to find post settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find post settings on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and now click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings, and here you will find posts. Just click on it, and here as you see you can manage anything you want, like you can see your future posts, and that's how to find post settings on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.